back indoors. So everyone, as I say, has got rhythm. So what we're going to do is we're going to do some very simple basic rhythm. So what we're going to do with your right hand is you're going to slap your leg, and we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. Very simple. We're now going to slap your left leg with your left hand, and we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4. Now all drumming comes in 3 rhythms. It comes in 4, 8, 16. So we can do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we can do the same on the left leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we're going to alternate just a fraction. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Very simple. Hopefully you're joining in. I can't see if you are. Hopefully you are. Okay. So now we're going to do alternating a little bit more. So we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Very simple. All these things you need to practice. They sound very simple, they sound very basic, they are, but you need to practice. Otherwise you could end up doing something completely out of the ordinary and you won't end up with the finished effect. So the next stage in the leg slapping is 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we're going to do it in reverse. So we're going to do the left leg first. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hope you're finding it okay so far. Eventually you'll end up with something along the lines of this. This is what we want to get at the end. Maybe not today, but in a few days' time. So, with a drum kit you have a snare drum, you have a tom-tom, and a floor tom-tom, if you have a set of 4. You then have a hi-hat, which is 2 cymbals that bash together like this, and you have some cymbals. So when I do a gig, people come up to me and go, oh, I want to play the drums, and they sit there and they just look at it and go bang, 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 bang. And oops, oh my God. So what we want to do, we're going to build that rhythm. So this hand, the right hand, if you're right-handed, if you're left-handed, you're going to do it with the other hand. I'm right-handed, so I'll use my right. And we're going to use this as the hi-hat. So we're going to be doing 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Very simple. On every other beat, we're going to use the left hand. So we're going to do 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hopefully you've got that. If you're in a bit of a mess, don't worry. Keep practicing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we have a simple beat. Now we can change that beat. We can do it a little bit faster, so we can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Very hard-ish. Practice, practice, practice. If we now try and cross our hands, it becomes a little bit more complicated. So we're going to be doing 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we'll go back to what we were doing just now. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Did you see what I did there? I sped up double on this hand. I was doing 8 on this hand and only 4 on that hand. So, what have we learned so far? 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Are you getting the hang of it? The idea, it's called drumming with Drumless or Drumless drumming. Happy days. There are no drums. You can't annoy your neighbours. What you can do is practice. So, what I want you to do for now is just to practice and add in every other beat. Happy days. So now we can also do 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. We can do it the other way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. What do you mean it's hard? It's not hard, it's practice. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. You get the idea. So for today, that's all I'm going to do. Tomorrow, 4:15, we're going to take it to the next level. So have fun, don't slap too hard, otherwise you'll have very red thighs. But keep practicing. Tomorrow you will be a lot better, and we'll move it on and we'll start doing some better rhythms. I'll see you tomorrow. Hope you've had fun. Bye.